Hello guys, and welcome to How to Fix. In this video, we're going to handle a new bug that you might find challenging. So let's get started with today's bug. First, let's run code 1 that generate the error and let's see what happens. So here's the explanation and the solution to the problem. Please stop the video to analyze the explanation. Now we'll debug the code and observe the final output. And ta-da! The code is working as it should and our output is looking good. The error has disappeared. Alright, that brings us to the end of today's video. If this tutorial was beneficial to you, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more programming bug fixes. Stay curious, keep learning, and happy coding, everyone!